$4,798.86. My Udemy income last month was the highest it's ever been. I'm gonna teach you how to make at least 4 figures on Udemy. That's $1,000 every single month. I think everybody out there can accomplish what I did. Why? Because I'm not a disconnected Shopify seller that's really good at math who is nothing like you. I'm somebody who struggled making passive income. I'm somebody who had to grind hours and hours and hours, who felt like he wasn't good enough, who finally made a break. I'm here to help you. My name's Nader Najad. I'm a digital marketer specializing in online reputation who helps people travel the world and make money online. If you want to make money online, this is the video for you. Let's get concrete here. You're going to learn 3 things from here today. A, the sort of courses you're going to make on Udemy. B, how to find the best courses that are going to maximize your income. And C, a schedule so that you can output videos. I'm going to tell you like every Saturday at this time and this way, so that over time you don't even have to think about it. People hate strategy. People hate having to think about it. People hate running through the numbers or running through the ads or wasting money or wasting time because they don't know if their efforts are going to be fruitless. I'm going to guarantee that you're going to make income within the first months. If you don't, come back to this video and rat me out. Say, Nader, I didn't make money on my first month in Udemy. If that's the case, I will have 1 hour phone call with you. We will schedule it on WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever, and you're gonna show me your dashboard, screen share it with me, and we're gonna find out why you didn't make money. I'm so confident in this video, so keep watching. The first step is obviously to create an account on Udemy. If you haven't created an account yet, all you have to do is go to udemy.com, create an account, and sign up to become a teacher. Once you become a teacher, you wanna go into creating a course. But before you do, you want to find the best course for you. In fact, you want to find a niche. Finding a niche is always hard, but find something you can stand. That is the #1 rule for finding a course to create on Udemy. What is a niche you can stand? You don't have to find something you love. In fact, I recommend you switch niches every 5 courses or 10 courses or so, and then when you finally find something that sits and makes money, you make 100 courses or 50 courses about that topic. Don't get me wrong, you'll be making thousands of dollars a month. So use this time right now and pull out a notepad. It can be any notepad, it can be a pen, paper, it can be a piece of paper. I like to use this one right here. I use a few other ones. And what I want you to do is write down the top 3 things you're good at that you can teach. I'm not saying things you think you are good enough to teach. I'm just saying things that are teachable. For example, blowing your nose isn't something you can teach, but you can teach writing, you can teach playing a musical instrument, and you can teach accounting. So find 3 things that you know. You don't have to be able to teach them yet. Once you have those things you know, you're set. I want you to go into Udemy, and I want you to go into the Course Insight dashboard. Specifically, it's called something else, but you'll be seeing it on screen right now. All you have to do is click into that, and then you want to write down whatever topic of those 3 things that you think you can teach. So we're gonna try a few different things. I'm gonna try digital marketing. I'm gonna try writing editing. And I'm gonna try saxophone, because I play the saxophone. Now each of these courses has a different income bracket, but I don't want you to focus on this too much. What I want you to do is learn how to make your first few pennies. I'm talking about pennies on Udemy, because once you start making your first few pennies of passive income in a legitimate way, what happens is you open a door. And once that door is open, you can keep bringing in more and more and more revenue and opening that door till it's wider, and the opportunities only grow from there. So out of those 3 things, I want you to narrow it down to the #1 thing that you feel like has the best prospective chance to make the most amount of money. Not the thing you love the most, unless one of those things on that list you super love, like you can't see yourself not doing it, then you gotta teach that. That's just where your heart's going. But if you're kind of indifferent, find the thing that makes more money. Come on, we're trying to make money here. So you found that thing. What you're gonna do is pretend you're making YouTube videos now. Pretend you're making YouTube video topics. Take out another separate piece of paper. And what I want you to write, this is step 3, okay? You know what you're gonna be teaching. Let's say it's writing, okay? And writing and editing. So you're gonna pull out a piece of paper and pretend you had to make 5 YouTube videos about writing. Okay, or write 5 essays. Forget the course, first of all. Your first video would be how to edit your writing. There we go, we have a course name. If you can make a video about it, you can make a course about it. That is true for almost everything in the world. So If you can make a video about how to edit your writing, you can make a course on it. If you can make a video about how to write your first book, you can make a course on it. That's 2 courses already. If you can make a video about how to write neatly or calligraphy, that's course number 3, calligraphy. I want you to do this for the first 5 courses. You don't have to commit to them, but keep them on that paper. Now, all you have to do is go and create your course. Either you pick up a smartphone or you pick out a video camera, learn how to speak to the camera, learn how to record videos. What you're gonna do is, let's say you're teaching writing editing, the first video can be like, hey, this is how you start editing your writing. Step number 2, this is some grammar tips. Step number 3, how to tighten your writing so it reads better, so it's punchier, so it flows more. Step number 4, if these are steps that you're going to put in a YouTube video itself or in a topic itself, then when you do this course, each course lesson or each course video can be comprised of each of these topics that you would tackle in let's say a 5-minute video. But instead of spending 5 minutes on all topics together, you're gonna spend 5 minutes on each topic. You're gonna make 10, 20 videos, and then you're gonna upload the course. I guarantee you, in your first month, you are at least gonna make 10 or 20 US dollars. It's not a lot, but that's passive. That's every single month. And you're gonna keep making that income for time and time again. And what I want you to do now is commit to a schedule. Find out how long it took you to make that first course. Get less critical about yourself. Get some reviews. Post that course on Facebook. Send that course to your friends. Heck, give me a coupon of that course and I'm gonna check it out myself, and if I like it, I'm gonna give it a 5-star review. Do those things. I did this over a span of a year and a half, and I nearly hit a 5K US dollar income last month for the sole purpose of I made a lot of courses. I stuck to it. I made 30 courses because I knew for a fact I wasn't a genius. I wasn't one of those kids who just pulled out Shopify and make that much amount of money, but I had a dying passion. I wanted to do it. So let this video be your motivation. Let this video help you. I promise you. If you want to do it, you can go and get it. My name's Nader Najad. Consider subscribing. I feel like I shouldn't have to tell you that, but if I don't tell you that, there's a really big chance that you're not even going to give it a shot. You're going to be thinking about chicken wings, and then you're going to be like, why am I thinking about chicken wings? So you're going to go to the next room, and you won't think to click the silly button. So just scroll down. It'll take a second. Click the button. Supports this channel. It keeps me doing what I'm doing. And be sure to subscribe.